first do this and then do that. And in the interim, do the third thing. So which is the interim relief paragraph. Very often we get ourselves blinded by our words. And we say, main relief ne aata magi lithi re, પણ એ તો તમે interim relief તરીકે માગી છે. No interim relief will be granted which does not subserve the main relief. So if you want an injunction, you ask for an injunction permanently and ask for it temporarily also. But you say quash this order and a pending hearing and disposal of this petition, restrain the respondents from doing that. But એ તમે main relief માં ક્યાં માગ્યું? તો main relief માં બી માગવાનું અને interim relief માં બી માગવાનું. Lastly, and for this act of kindness એ તમે ડ્રોપ કરો, પણ બે લાસ્ટમાં અગત્યની ચીજ આવે છે. એક તો એફિડેવિટ નો પેરેગ્રાફ વિચ યોર ક્લાયન્ટ સેઝ કે આ ફેક્ટ સત્ય છે, હું કહું છું કે સત્ય છે. પણ એક સૌથી અગત્યની વાત વિચ ઇઝ ધ કન્ક્લુડિંગ પોઈન્ટ and which has got everything to do with the first line. The first line is in the High Court of Gujarat and Ahmedabad. The last or near the last line is our signature. Signed so and so. You have to sign the pleadings. And therein lies a matter of integrity. That we should not subscribe our signatures lightly. We should not be parties to proceedings which we know to be vexatious, fraudulent, frauds. Related to the first line, in the High Court, you are in the highest court of the state. You are practitioners of that bar. Do not devalue your court, your work, yourself and your signature is a very valuable thing. Don't give it lightly. Don't subscribe to something which you know to be false. And when I say know to be false, એટલે કોઈ તમને આવીને કહેવાનું નથી કે સાહેબ આ આપણે જુઠ્ઠું છે, આટલું આ કરવાનું છે. ના, કોઈ ક્લાયન્ટ એવું નથી કહેતો કે મેં ખૂન કર્યું છે પણ બચાવી લો. એ લોકો કહે છે સાહેબ આપણે તો I have been framed. So due process अपनी जगह पे, but don't knowingly do anything wrong and have an inquiring mind. Don't believe every piece of bullshit that your client tells you. Because you have to put a value to your signature. After all, you are the champion of your client. You are entering the gladiatorial arena and you are fighting for him, sometimes at some considerable personal cost, as we know. To fight for a client is not easy. You pay a high cost in terms of the effort you put in terms of the galis you get to hear from people. I have represented clients in cases where my inbox used to get full with the hate mail I would get. रोज 5-10 hate mail आवे बने. So don't fight for causes lightly. Subscribe your signature at the foot of a petition or a proceedings with responsibility and pride. Mistakes we will all make. I will also make a mistake tomorrow. You will also make a mistake. But chances are you will get away with it if you have the reputation of being an honest person with personal integrity as a lawyer. And I will conclude with that is the biggest mistake to avoid. Do not sacrifice your integrity. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kavina. This is a very significant, though technical, but such an integral part of the practice of law that once all these things are taken into consideration and kept in mind, that would make our practice smooth and conducive under the roof of High Court. Friends, it has been suggested that instead of burdening the speaker at the end of the series, your questions must be wandering in the minds. Allow them to come out. We have two speakers who have already delivered their keynotes on the subjects. So I invite the House to raise questions to both of them, whenever they are having questions on the issue. Yes, you have a question, sir.
Hello. Respected sir, I want to ask the writ petition when filed. Hello. Respected sir, when the writ petition is to be filed on behalf of a minor, the minor will be the applicant by name and there will be written through his father or natural guardian or it. Sir, I have.
Yes, actually, whenever any petition or any civil proceedings are there through a minor, then name of the minor through guardian, natural guardian has to be stated. And in civil proceedings, there is a procedure of appointment of guardian also for pursuing the proceedings. Yes. So it is required.
Thank you.
Yes. Anybody who is having a question? Much.